Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about SQL operators. What are SQL arithmetic operations? Arithmetic operators can perform arithmetical operations on numeric values. We have different arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular. We also have SQL comparison operators like equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Now let us see how these operators work in SQL Server. I have a general expression, I have select statement and I have general expression on 15 plus 10 minus 5 multiplication by 5 and divided by 5. Let us execute this query and see the what is be the output. 20. I have got an output of 20 for this expression. Now let us select 150 modulo of 7. What will be the output? We have the output 3. Now I have a table called customers. Let's start from customers. Let us see using these operators using where condition. I have a table called customers with columns customer ID, customer name, city, grade, opening amount, receiving amount, payment amount, and outstanding amount. I have a requirement of opening amount plus receive amount. How to do addition of two different columns. Let us see. I have selected the columns customer name, opening amount, receive amount, and opening plus receive amount from the table customers, where the opening amount and receive amount is greater than 8,000. I have taken a addition arithmetic operation here. So let us execute and see what will be the output. And I want the arithmetic operation of opening amount and receiving amount which is greater than 8,000. I have got 5 rows totally where the opening amount and receiving amount is greater than 8,000. These are the 5 rows. Now let us see how subtraction works in SQL. I have selected the customer name, payment amount, outstanding amount, and outstanding amount subtraction of payment amount from the table customers, where outstanding amount minus payment amount is less than 1,000. Let us execute this query. Again, I have got total 5 rows when I have done subtraction from outstanding amount minus payment amount which is less than 1,000. Now let us see multiplication. I have selected the columns customer ID, customer name, and I want the receiving amount into 2, multiplication of 2 from the table customers, where receiving amount into 2 multiplication of 2 which is greater than or equal to 9,000. Let us execute this query and see the output. I have got output of customer ID, customer name, and where the where condition is receive amount in multiplication of 2 which is greater than or equal to 9,000. I have got total 4 records here from the table customers. Now let us see how the division will work in SQL. Again, I have selected the columns customer name, opening amount, receive amount, outstanding amount, and receive amount to multiplication which is divided by 100. Here I am being using two operations, multiplication and division. from the table customers where receive amount in- into multiplication of 5 we divided by 100, which is less than or equal to 5000. Let us execute this query and see the output. Have got total 7 rows where the receive amount, which is multiplied by 5 and divided by 100, is less than or equal to 500. This is the output of the condition here. Now let us see how equal to works in SQL. I have a table called customers and I have selected select star from customers where city name is equal to Hyderabad. I want the output where the city name is equal to Hyderabad from the table customers. Let us execute this query. I have two rows where the city column city is equal to Hyderabad. Now let us see how not equal to works in SQL Server. And I have selected the table customers and I have given the where condition where the grade is not equal to 2. It means which is not equal to 2 and the rest of the grade values will be your output. Let us execute this query. I have received total 4 rows from the table customers where the grade is not equal to 2. So this is how the SQL operators works in SQL Server. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.